Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaheer and today I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious and nutritious chicken salad recipe. So the ingredients that you'll be needing for this recipe along with chicken are half a kilogram of chicken breast fillet. We boiled this using 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and a pinch of salt. This is why we're not using extra salt in this recipe because feta cheese holds a lot of salt and we also use salt to boil this. A handful of coriander leaves. These are from our garden. We're using 4 lemon balm leaves. These are also from our garden. A chunk of feta cheese, 1 large capsicum, 2 small cucumbers that we're going to dice, 1 carrot that we're going to dice, some 3 tomatoes. You can also use normal tomatoes for this. The zest and the juice from 1 lemon, 4 mushrooms. If you would like your salad to be a little bit more spicy, you can use some chilies. For spices, we're using some ground black pepper, some roasted cumin powder, and some crushed nuts. We haven't crushed these yet, we're going to do that later. This is for garnish. And lastly, we're going to use some sesame seeds. So let's get into it. First, we're going to add in all of our diced vegetables.
It's really colorful.
Yeah, it's really colorful. So we're going to add in the juice of 1/3 of a lemon. We're adding in the zest of 1/3 of the lemon. It adds a lot of flavor and it's quite healthy as well. Lemon. Now we're going to add in our chicken. It smells so good.
Where's the chicken?
Shaheer, go! Now let's put the rest of our ingredients in there. We just crumbled the feta cheese. Add in your coriander leaves. We just slice these up a little bit. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add in 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin powder. Just mix this. Now, the finishing touches, we're just going to lightly ground up the nuts.
You can use this.
Good idea, Shaheer. We're just going to add in some olive oil while Shaheer is helping me with that. Now that we've added our sesame seeds and our crushed nuts, we're going to just top with some lemon balm.
It will add flavor.
Lots of color and flavor. It looks so tasty. Let's dig in. It tastes so good. It was super fun making this chicken salad. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us a big like. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so, as I will post new videos every week. And until next time, bye!